Hey folks, Adam here, 911. Today we're looking at Universal Power Group's wheelchair batteries. This thing's heavy, so I'm going to put it down. You know what a battery looks like. But Universal Power Group, they're putting together a great 12-volt battery that's specifically designed for your wheelchair needs. So if you're looking for a great replacement battery for your wheelchair, this thing is going to give you the surety to start. And there's nothing worse. If you have a car and it doesn't start, that's bad. But if you have a wheelchair and it won't start, that's a real issue. And we all know that we want to get around and be able to be mobile and have fun and do things on our own. So the 12-volt Universal Power Group wheelchair battery is going to be absolutely amazing. They've got a 2-pack, they've got a 1-pack, and they create great batteries that are meant to last, that have your safety, security, and fun in mind. So go ahead and pick one up today. These are absolutely amazing. It has a red positive and a red negative, green positive, and you just clip it in, swap it out, you're good to go. Pretty much anyone can install these. I know you can. And order yours today. You absolutely won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.